Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Mexc with almost zero fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your OKX application once you're on the home page, and from here you need to tap on the assist tab at the bottom right corner. After that you need to click on the withdraw button, then you need to click on the withdraw crypto button, and from here in the search bar search for USDT and simply select USDT Tether, and then you need to select the second option that says exchanges or wallet. Simply tap on it, and from here you need to select a network that supports almost zero fees. So from here we are selecting aptos chain, so simply click on aptos, and now we have to paste USDT aptos chain address from Mexc and amount of withdrawal USDT we want to withdraw from our OKX account. So simply minimize this application on and open our Mexc application, and after that on the home page here you can see deposit section. Simply tap on deposit, and after that click on chain deposit, and from here in the search bar search for USDT and select USDT Tether, and after that you need to select the same network that you have selected on the OKX. So simply select aptos, and after that here you can see your USDT aptos chain address. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or simply minimize this and open OKX again, and after that you need to paste that address here. Simply paste it, and after that you need to select the withdrawal amount, and then you need to click on the submit button at bottom. After that it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds into your Mexc account, and that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from OKX to Mexc account with almost zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.